From past 10 months, we have already witnessed that what is happening in the Manipur. There is a conflict between people and military, there is a conflict between among people, and there is also the molestation of women, there is a cruelty with children, and all these news are very heart-wrenching. And what is the reason behind all these things? The one decision of High Court. Hello friends, welcome to the new series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Manipur violence and what is the opinion of High Court regarding this violence. So, moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we'll have a discussion on that why this particular paragraph got deleted, and then we are going to discuss what was the reason for conflict and also the practice question for prelims. So, in this paragraph, we are going to discuss that what is the background about this conflict. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So, on 27th of March 2023, the Manipur High Court has come with a decision, and in that order, the Manipur High Court has directed the state government that you should consider this view that the Meitei community of your state should be given ST status or not. And that has attracted many violence in the Manipur state, and we can see that the Tribal Student Union of Manipur has called for the protest, and during that protest, violence has been erupted, and result we could see for now also, and the effect we could see for now also. So this is the news, and what happened to that order. So the court has come up with that thing that the paragraph which has inserted that we should think about the ST inclusion of Manipur Meitei community, that should be diluted. So this is the news we are going to discuss in today's session. So moving to the next slide. Next slide is about that why this particular paragraph got deleted, and the High Court has with this opinion that it should be deleted. So after analyzing various facts and various review petitions by various petitioners which has been petitioned by the Kuki community of Manipur, and according to that so many arguments and so many things, the High Court has come up with the conclusion, and in that conclusion it has been decided that the decision and the order which has been made earlier, it is against the Supreme Court principle, which in a case, the case name is State of Maharashtra versus Milind and others. In that case, it has been declared by the Supreme Court that no state, no tribunals and no any authority has right to decide that what is the list of the scheduled tribes. So it is the parliamentary proceedings, and it will be prepared on the orders of the President of the country under Article 341 and 342 of the Indian Constitution. So it is not the authority of the state or not the authority of any court that they should decide that Meitei should be included in the ST list or not. So this is the reason the paragraph got deleted. Moving to the other side. The other slide is about that what was the reason for the conflict. The first reason is the identity conflict. So there is an identity conflict between the tribals and non-tribal population of the Manipur society. And the majority conflict happened between the Meitei versus Kuki Zomi community. And Kuki Zomi is not just a single community, they are the group or bunch of the tribal communities. So there is a conflict that Meitei people said that these Kuki Zomi community and other tribal communities are not part of the Manipur society, and they have migrated from Myanmar and other states. So that's why they are not locals to the Manipur. On the other hand, the Kuki Zomi community also said that we are the locals of the Manipur and we have contributed a lot to the freedom struggle of this country. So we are the local and we are the residents of this country and the resident of the state. So this is the conflict of identity between two communities, and also the land conflict. So the Manipur area is divided between two areas. The first is the valley region and the second is the hilly region. And hilly region is inhabited by the tribal population of the state, and the valley region is inhabited by the Meitei community. And it has been said that Meiteis are in majority, but they have been given only 10% of the land, but their population is more than 50%. So more than 50% population lives in the 10% of the land. On the other hand, other population lives in another 90% of the land. And on the other hand, the valley people are not allowed to purchase or occupy any lands in the hilly area, but hilly people are allowed to purchase or occupy any land in the valley area. So because of that, there is also conflict of the land, and the most important conflict is in the opinion of Meitei community, they believe that, you know, whatever the criteria has been given in Article 342 of the Indian Constitution to inclusion in the scheduled tribe list, we are fulfilling all those criteria. It means that they have distinctive culture, they have distinctive identity, they are separated from other masses. So because of that thing, they should be given the ST status. So all this conflict led to a major violence, and we had witnessed all those violence. So this is the reason for the conflict. Moving to the question round. The question is, the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution contains provisions related to, and your options are administration of all tribal areas of the country, administration of tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram, administration of border villages, allocation of funds to scheduled caste. So we already had discussed about this topic. I hope you are able to answer this in the comment section. Thank you for your time.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.